एवरी सिंगल ईयर वी डिसाइड टू चेंज. हम सोचते हैं इस बार ये हैबिट चेंज करेंगे, इतना अचीव करेंगे, इस बार ये चीज तो पक्का हमें मिलके रहेगी. बट नथिंग चेंजेस. क्यों? चलो साथ में फिगर आउट करते हैं. Now this is not a magical video that is suddenly going to change your life or just solve all your problems, but I promise this. If you watch this video till the end, you will have a new perspective about your life and you will have the right mindset. You will be on the right track, not only for 2025, but for your life. Because this is not just a 1-minute hack video. This is a video that is going to actually help you to create and develop habits that are going to serve you for lifetime. Because here, we do not rely on motivation, we rely on consistency, we rely on discipline, and that's what we are going to achieve in 2025. Now, disclaimer for this video. It's not just an entertainment video where you just watch and forget about it. If you are serious about your life, if you're serious about creating new habits that are actually going to serve you for life, and if you're actually ready to leave behind the habits that are holding you back, that are actually stopping you from achieving your full potential, then watch this video till the end and just be very serious about it. And if you're ready, let's go. Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kathy. Welcome to my series of not only living your life but conquering it. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. If you're ready, let's go. 95% लोग अपने न्यू ईयर्स रेजोल्यूशंस को जनवरी तक छोड़ देते हैं बिकॉज दे आर नॉट एबल टू मेंटेन दोज हेल्दी हैबिट्स. हम सब एकदम जोश में तो स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं कि इस साल हम ये करेंगे. वी आर क्रिएटिंग विजन बोर्ड्स एंड एवरीथिंग, बट वी आर नॉट एबल टू एक्चुअली अचीव इट. वी गिव अप सो फास्ट. यू नो व्हाई? बिकॉज वी टेंड टू रिलाई ऑन मोटिवेशन. स्टार्टिंग में न्यू ईयर का मोटिवेशन होता है, एवरीबडी जस्ट गेट्स इनटू द जोन. एज लाइफ हैपेंस दैट मोटिवेशन फेड्स अवे. And that's why it's very important to not rely on motivation but rely on consistency and discipline. And do you know how consistency and discipline is attained? By the right mindset. अगर आपका mindset सही नहीं होगा ना तो आप literally एक हफ्ता भी वो healthy habit को continue नहीं रख पाएंगे and you will just leave it right there. और वो vision board वैसा का वैसा पड़ा रह जाएगा. So first things first, the mindset shifts that you need for 2025. First, get out of this stupid victim mentality. Most of the people are not able to level up in their life because they are always in their victim mentality. भगवान मेरे साथ तो कुछ अच्छा ही नहीं करते हैं, इसकी लाइफ में ऐसा चल रहा है, मेरे को तो कुछ नहीं मिला है, this and that. They just sit and complain about their life and they just compare their life to others, and guess what? They don't do anything to change their life. They're just sitting and complaining because they are too comfortable in their own misery. You know when change will happen? When you just get up, get out of your comfort zone and put a goddamn effort to change your life. भगवान उन्हीं की मदद करते हैं जो खुद की मदद करना जानते हैं. That's why stop having this victim mentality कि मेरे साथ कभी कुछ अच्छा ही नहीं हो सकता. Something अच्छा will happen to you, definitely happen to you only if you put an effort to do something good about your life, to bring a change in your life. And how will that happen? First, accept your reality, accept where you are right now. Second, take responsibility of your life. You are where you are because of you. It's not because of your family or friends or circumstances. No, it's because of you. You can achieve everything you want with your efforts. It's nothing to do with your surroundings. And third, keep your own promises. Start doing the things that you constantly tell yourself that I am going to do. If you're telling yourself I am going to study for 2 hours, go and study for 2 hours. If you want to give that presentation, go and give that presentation. If you're telling yourself you're going to go to the gym, go to the gym. Just keep your own promises. Do the goddamn things that you have been telling yourself you are going to do. If you want change in your life, you have to be that change. Second mindset shift, small steps can take you a million miles. You know, a lot of people, they just start something and they get demotivated because they are comparing their day 1 to someone's day 100. आज अगर आप कुछ नया स्टार्ट करते हो, instantly you won't be a pro at it. In fact, within a month you won't be a pro at it. You have to constantly work. The people who are already successful, they have worked a lot. They have made tons of mistakes and they have learned from their failures. उनमें और आप में सिर्फ एक ही डिफरेंस है, वो भी फेल हुए थे, आप भी फेल हो सकते हैं, but they didn't give up. They learned from their mistakes. And that's why just stop comparing. It's your journey. You have to learn. आपकी learnings और उनकी learnings अलग होंगी. And that's why हो सकता है आपका सक्सेस भी उनसे बड़ा हो. So that's why just stop comparing. This is your life. This is your journey. Embrace it. You should be extremely proud of yourself that you are starting something new. Just focus on the next step instead of saying कि यार अभी तो कितना करना बाकी है, वो इंसान कहाँ है, मैं कहाँ हूँ. No, just don't compare. Focus on the next step. And why small steps are important? Because if you are just thinking about the final result, you are putting too much pressure on yourself. And जब हम अपने दिमाग पे इतना ज़्यादा pressure लेते हैं ना, we start overthinking, we start panicking, and that will stop you from bringing the best out of you. So just focus on the next step and learn from every single thing that is happening in your life. Trust me, you will progress every single day using this. Third, and my favorite mindset shift, stop saying I have to and start saying I get to do this. अगर हम कंटिन्यूसली बोलते रहते हैं ना, आई हैव टू वर्कआउट, आई हैव टू ईट क्लीन, आई हैव टू स्टडी, आई हैव टू मेक दैट प्रेजेंटेशन फॉर वर्क, आवर माइंड विल एक्चुअली स्टोर इट एज अ टीडियस टास्क. और वो हमारे लिए इतना ज़्यादा मेंटली और इमोशनली ड्रेनिंग हो जाएगा दैट इट विल बी इम्पॉसिबल टू स्टे कंसिस्टेंट. आई जस्ट डोंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज दिस आई हैव टू डू दिस. You always have a choice, and if you're working towards your dream job, your dream career, your dream body, it's a privilege, it's a beautiful thing, and you should be proud of yourself. You should do it happily instead of making it as a tedious task. So if you really want to be consistent with something, just start telling yourself, oh, I get to work out, I get to move my body, I'm extremely lucky, I will go and work out tomorrow. It's a privilege. And trust me, it will be a lot easier to be consistent only if you just have this shift in your mindset and in your vocabulary. So now are the list of the non-negotiable habits that you must follow in 2025. And yes, you may call it as rules because you have to follow all of them. You can achieve everything that you have ever dreamed of. You have that much potential. And you know what is holding you back? That laziness, that procrastination कि मैं बाद में कर लूँगा ना. Trust me, every single time you think to yourself or you say कि छोड़ना बाद में कर लूँगा, you are compromising the life that you could have lived. और बाद में पता है सिर्फ एक चीज़ रह जाएगी and that is regret. So I don't want that when you get older you just look back at your life and you feel like काश उस टाइम पे कर लिया होता. Trust me, that काश word hurts. It hurts a lot. Okay, so first habit. A lot of people talk about having a perfect morning routine, but how will you have a perfect morning routine if you don't have a perfect nighttime routine? That's why रात को सोने से पहले अलार्म सेट करो और अपने फ़ोन को अपने बेड से बहुत दूर छोड़ दो. इतना भी दूर नहीं कि अलार्म सुनाई ना दे, just a little bit far. No screens at all, no scrolling on your phone and no binge watching series. Just do your nighttime routine, do your skincare routine, take out your clothes for next morning or meal prep for next day. Just do whatever you want to do, complete your work and sit, close your eyes and just thank God for this day. Trust me, before sleeping, just close your eyes and just for 2 minutes remember God. Be very grateful for this day. Say thank you God for giving me this day, for giving me an opportunity to live one more day. Thank you for everything. Be grateful, show gratitude and just go to sleep. Now when we talk about the perfect morning routine. See, first of all, perfect morning routines doesn't exist. कई लोगों का न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशन होता है कि we will start waking up early in the morning. मान लो अगर आप आज तक 8 बजे उठते हो, अचानक से अगर आप अपनी बॉडी को बोलोगे कि आज से मैं 5 बजे उठूंगा, do you think your body is going to digest it well? No, maybe you wake up at 5 in the morning, but then you are going to feel sluggish the entire day because your body will be in shock. It is not in the habit of waking up 3 hours early. That's why अचानक से चेंज मत लाओ. Remember we talked about taking small steps. Start waking up half an hour before योर यूजुअल टाइम. मान लो आप 8 o'clock उठते हो, स्टार्ट वेकिंग अप एट 7:30. हम लोग सोचेंगे आधे घंटे में क्या होगा. A lot can happen. That half an hour you have got to do anything that you like. You can hit a workout in half an hour. You can do your yoga, meditation. You can go for a walk or even do anything that you want. You have got this half an hour just to yourself. And you know, once your body is in the habit of this half an hour, then just start waking up at 7. And ऐसे करते करते अगर आपको 6 o'clock आपका टारगेट है उठना, तो just take small steps. Wake up half an hour before till you actually start waking up at 6. धीरे धीरे आपकी बॉडी को जब हैबिट लगेगी तो आपकी बॉडी भी आपका साथ देगी. अचानक से अगर बॉडी को शॉक दोगे, इट विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू टू बी कंसिस्टेंट विद इट. दैट्स व्हाई मेक इट अ रूल, टेक स्मॉल स्टेप्स एंड जस्ट स्टार्ट वेकिंग अप just half an hour before. And the second non-negotiable habit is to include any sort of a spiritual practice or meditation at any time of the day. I know अब बहुत सारे लोग सोच रहे होंगे क्या यार क्यों meditation, because I also used to hate it. It used to be an impossible task for me, but trust me, since I have started doing it just for 10 minutes, I have seen a lot of change in my life. First of all, I have started thinking very rationally. Second, I am so much calmer. Like पहले अगर कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होती थी, I used to literally flip like this, instant panic mode. But now I'm like, it's okay. This is a problem. Is it in my control? If it's in my control, I can do it. I can solve it. And thirdly, I have stopped giving my energy, or I have stopped arguing with people unnecessarily. If like someone is even trying to argue with me, I just feel like अच्छा important है क्या, कुछ फायदा है इस आर्ग्यूमेंट का? नहीं, it's fine, okay fine, let it go. Trust me, you will find so much peace just with 10 minutes of meditation or any sort of a spiritual practice that calms you down, that puts you into that calm headspace. Third non-negotiable habit, and it has to be there, include any sort of a physical activity in your life. Any sort of a physical activity, be it yoga, gymming, running, anything that gets you out of this rut. Just do it at least for 30 minutes. And I'm not just saying it because it will make you look more leaner or good. It's because it has so much impact on your mental health. If you want to improve your mental health, your brain health, and you want to be a better person in general, just start working out and you will automatically feel the wonders of moving your body. Again, if you want to be consistent with working out every single day, just don't jump like, okay, I'll start working out 7 days a week. No, small steps, remember? So you have to start with, like, for example, 2 days a week. Once you are in the habit of that, 3 days a week, till you are up to 5 days a week. Slowly and steadily you have to form the habit of working out or taking the steps or anything. If you really want to be consistent with something, अपनी body को उस change को digest करने का time दो. Once your body is habitual to something, it will adapt it, and then you can actually start with the new step. The next non-negotiable habit is getting rid of your addictions. This is a glass of water, right? It's very easy to hold. मान लो मैंने इसको ऐसे सामने रख दिया. It's not a big deal. बहुत हल्का ग्लास है. मान लो मैंने इसको ऐसे ही पकड़े रखा 10 मिनट तक. थोड़ा भारी लगेगा. 1 घंटे तक बहुत भारी लगेगा. 2 घंटे तक मेरा हाथ सुन पड़ जाएगा. This glass of water, which is so lightweight, has the ability to actually numb my hand, because with time the willpower of my hand just faded away. Although if you are addicted to alcohol और आप सुबह उठ रहे हो, आप बहुत मोटिवेटेड हो कि आज से आई एम क्विटिंग अल्कोहल, पर आपकी फ्रिज में अल्कोहल पड़ी हुई है, सुबह तो आपका विल पावर एकदम 100 on 100 होगा, बट एज द डे गोज बाय यू विल मीट पीपल, यू विल हैव वर्कलोड, यू विल टॉक टू अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, यू विल हैव गुड टाइम एंड बैड टाइम थ्रू आउट द डे. विद योर एनर्जी your willpower also fades away. और तब you will not even realize कब आप घर पहुंचे, आपने अपने अल्कोहल की बॉटल निकाली, and you will be back to square one. That's why if you really want to quit something, सबसे पहले उस चीज को अपने घर से उठा के बाहर फेंको. If it's out of your sight, it will be out of your mind. Second, find new replacements of it. For example, if you are addicted to sugar, find healthier alternatives of sugar, like for example dates, jaggery or honey, Or for example, stevia. If you are addicted to alcohol, find 0% alcohol. If you are addicted to cigarettes, just find nicotine gums. Find alternatives of your addiction and it will make it so much easier for you to quit. And once you are habitual of these alternatives, then finally be ready to actually get rid of these alternatives as well. धीरे धीरे अपनी बॉडी को अडेप्ट करवाना है एंड देन गेट रिड ऑफ दीज एडिक्शंस. नेक्स्ट नॉन नेगोशिएबल इज ड्रेस फॉर सक्सेस. कभी नोटिस किया है कि जब हम एकदम सैलून से रेडी होकर आते हैं या फिर इवन इफ वी गेट आवर आईब्रोज डन और इफ यूर अ गाय यू गेट योर बियर्ड ट्रिम, गेट अ हेयर कट, यू फील लाइक $1 million. You know why? Because you look like $1 million. Agree or not, your personality has a huge role in your confidence, and how we dress up and how we look plays a major role in our personality. If you look good, you feel good. If you feel good, you feel more confident, and if you feel confident, you are able to achieve more. So in short, how you are looking affects your personality and it affects your confidence, and in turn it affects how you are working and presenting yourself. Conversely, if you are feeling insecure, if you're not looking good, if you are in shabby clothes, you will not feel confident about yourself, and that is going to affect your work, your productivity and your focus. So that's why start working on your personality, on the way you wear your clothes. Wear whatever you feel confident in. Trust me, improving your style has a huge impact on your motivation, your work and your productivity. The next non-negotiable is work on the skills that you can sell. See, even if you have a right job, right business, you always have a room for growth. You always have a room for improvement. That's why it's very important to educate yourself in every aspect of your life, especially the career that you specialize in. Always keep on increasing your knowledge, because the more knowledge you have, the more valuable you are. So if you want to increase your value, keep increasing your knowledge and keep increasing your skill set. The more skill set you have, the more is your value and the more you will be paid for. Because come on, in today's world, money is very important. A part of your self-worth is attached to the money that you earn, and that's why it's very important to have the right skills that actually make you earn money. Along with that, it's very important to learn how to manage your finances, where to invest your money and how to compound the amount that you are actually earning. And for that, you don't have to take an expensive course. Go on YouTube, there are a lot of videos from amazing people and influencers who are giving knowledge that is literally gold. Just look for those videos and keep learning. The more you learn, the better it is for your life, because it makes you more valuable. And at the end, I just want to tell you one thing. Cherry pick, don't duplicate. You know, when we open YouTube or Instagram, we see these amazing routines like wake up at 5 a.m., have this perfect morning routine, be that girl, be that guy. Even I tried to replicate it. I tried to copy all those influencers, thinking that, oh, that is making them happy. Maybe if I follow this, it will make me happy as well. It will make me productive as well. But you know what I have figured out? Their life and their circumstances is totally different to mine. They are actually getting successful with that routine because they have figured out what works for them. And that's why it's very important for you also to figure out what works for you. You can always get influenced by others. You can always take inspiration from others, but just, don't copy them. You can pick whatever you like. You can actually adjust it in your life, but just don't replicate. That might work for them, but you are different. Something else will work out for you, and that only you can figure out. And that's why not only for 2025, but for lifetime, I want you to remember that you are special, you are unique, you are one of a kind, and I really want you to figure out what you want to be, who you really are, and not what you think you are supposed to be. Just take this pressure out of yourself and just sit and analyze what life do you want, and then make a plan, figure it out, and just go ahead and achieve it. I know you got that potential. I know you can achieve everything in life. I believe in you, because just go and look into the mirror how much you can achieve, because you got a lot of potential. You are a rock star. So I'm going to end this video, and just remember, you're not only going to have an amazing 2025, you are going to have an amazing life, because you are amazing. Till then, I'll take your leave. Do hit the thumbs up button and do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.